I can't hear you. You can type your answers, okay? 33, fine. Okay, now nothing is divisible by 7, so you will have to multiply. Now, can you just multiply the numerator and tell me what you are getting? Now you will multiply, okay? This will be in meters, so the answer will be in meters square. Now multiply 22 into 12, then into 33. Eight, 7, 1, 2. Okay. Now you have to divide this by 7. So let us divide it. 7 into 1 is 7, right? Then you get 1, 17. Now 7 into 2 is 14. So you get 3, then 31. So 7 into 4 is 28. So I get 11 minus 8, that is 3, 32. Now 7 into, again 4 times it will go. That is 28. So 12 minus 8 will be 4. Now you can make it 40. So 17 into 5 will be 35. Then you get 5, make it 50. Now 7 into 8 is 56. 7 into 7 is 49. So up to 2 places of decimal you can find our answer. So this will be 1244.57 meters square. Right, now third question. Curved surface area of a cone. So CSA is already given, which is 308 centimeter square. And its slant height L is 14 centimeter. Find the radius of the base, okay? And after that, total surface area. All right. So curved surface area, that means pi r L is already given, right? 308. I think I gave some questions in the homework also, Jaslyn. Have you finished that? This one I explained you. Tell me honestly. So have you already solved this question? Okay, now tell me which question is remaining then, which you have not solved. Yes, in this exercise, which question you are not able to solve, Jaslyn? Seven and 8. So, okay, if you have solved this, let's do 7th and 8th then, right? A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 centimeter, okay, and height. So joker's cone, it's like this. It's like a birthday cone, right? So its height is given. That means this height is given and this radius is given. So this is your H and this is your R. So height is 24 centimeter and the radius is 7 centimeter. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Now cap means it is open at the base. So only curved surface area is included. Is that clear? So area of sheet required for one cap. This is equal to curved surface area of cone, isn't it? Because there is no base here, base is open, which is equal to pi r L. Okay. So L you can first of all find out separately. So L is under root h square plus r square, which is under root um, 24 whole square plus 7 whole square. Now tell me how much is 24 square? Quickly tell me. Yes, Jocelyn, multiply 24 into 24. 576. Good. So 576 plus 7 to 7, 49, right? Okay. So this you can add. This becomes 9 and 6 will be 15, carry 1, 8 and 4 is 12, carry 1, 6. Now 625 is a perfect square of 25. So 25 centimeter, right? This is your slant height. So this you can put here in the formula. So 22 divided by 7. Radius is 7 centimeter. Slant height is 25 centimeter. Now 7 will be divided. So it's just 22 into 25 centimeter square. Now multiply this and tell me. Yes, Jocelyn. How much is 25 into 22? Yes, Jocelyn. 550. Okay, that's good. All right. So you get, oh, sorry, which pen I have chosen. Okay, so this is 550 centimeter square. All right. So anyway, this was area of, sorry, the sheet required for one cap, right? So area of sheet required for 10 caps. You just multiply with 10, right? So 10 into 550 centimeters square, and this gives you 5500 centimeter square. This is the Is that clear? This is the sheet required for 10 joker caps. I hope this is clear now. Yes, Jocelyn, done. Okay, next question now. Question number 8. Now, a bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. You must have seen, right? When they mop at the floor, sometimes they put cones like this in restaurant also, right? So it's like that. So they have barricaded a road and they have used 50 hollow cones. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 centimeter. Diameter is 40 centimeter. So that implies your radius is 20 centimeter, right? And height 1 meter. Height is 1 meter. Okay. Now, if the outer side of the cones is to be painted, and the cost of painting is 12 per meter square. So you can see it is given in meter square. So you have to change everything in meter. So you can change your radius here into meter, right? So it will be 20 and divided by 100. It will become now meter. So that becomes 2 divided by 10 and that becomes 0.2 meter. Is that clear, Jaslyn? Okay, so total cones are 50. Hollow cones. So hollow cones means they are open at the base, right? Okay. Now we have to paint them. And only the outer side you have to paint. Understand? So that means which area you need? You need only the curved surface area. From outside you are painting. Is that okay? Right. Now for curved surface area, let us find out slant height first of all. Sorry, HEIGHT. So slant height L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. So this is square root of h, that is 1 meter whole square plus 0.2 meter whole square. Understand? Okay. So that becomes 1 square is 1. So it will become 1 meter square plus. Now this you can see, if you want, you can remove the decimal and then multiply. Okay. Now you make it like this, and this you can write 2 upon 10 meter whole square. This way you can write it. So this will be 1 meter square plus 2 into 2, 4. So 4 meter square divided by 10 into 10 is 100. Is that clear? So this just makes the calculation part a bit easier. And If you directly want to multiply 0.2 into 0.2, that also fine. Both answers will be right. So now you take LCM 100. So this will become 100 plus 4, and then you can write meter square outside, right? So that becomes square root of 104 divided by 100 and meter square. Is that okay? Is that clear, Jaslyn? Now you can again put back the decimal. So it becomes square root of 1.04. Understand? And meter square. So only meter will come out. This is your L. Is that clear? Now you have to take its under root. I think some values were given in the question. Yeah, see, it's you don't have to find the square root by square root method. This value is already given in the question. So this is equal to 1.02. Understand? So this comes out to be 1.02 meter. All right. So now we can find the curved surface area. L we have got. So area to be painted. Area to be painted for one cone. First of all, let us find. So this is equal to curved surface area of cone. Understand? Or okay, so this is equal to pi r L 20. Okay, pi, I think you have used 3.14 in the question. It's given. You have to use this value, use 3.14. Okay. So let us take 3.14 into radius was how much? It was 0.2. So 0.2 meter and slant height is 1.02 meter. Now multiply. Now you can remove the decimal and then multiply if you wish. That becomes easy. So 100 into 2 divided by 10 into 102 divided by 100. Clear? And meter into meter, meter square. So this you can multiply. So 314 multiply 2, 2 into 2, 4, 0, and then divided by 3 and 4, 500, right? Meter square. So this you can quickly multiply 314 into 204. 4 into 4, 16, carry 1. And 5, 4 into 3, 12. Then 0, 0, 0. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 3, 6. 6, 5, 10, carry 1, 3, 4, 6. Okay, so I'm getting 64056 and then divided by 5 zeros, right? 4, 5 meters square. Now you can put back the decimal. So these are 5 digits, so it will become 0.64056 meters square, right? This is CSA of one cone. Now you have 50 cones to be painted, right? So total area to be painted. Total area to be painted, that means 50 multiplied by 0.64056. Understand? Meter square. Is that okay? So now to multiply this, you can again remove the decimal 64056 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So 1 0 will get cancelled out here. And first you can multiply by 5 and then put back. Right? So just multiply. So 5 into 6, 30, carry 3. 5 into 5, 25, and this becomes 28, carry 2. 5 into 4, 20, carry 2, 6, 30, and do 32. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Then again, 1 0 cancels out. Now you have 3 0. So this becomes 32.028 meters square. All right. So this is the basic, this is the actual area you have to paint it, like the total area. Understand? Okay, Jaslyn, so far? Yes, Jaslyn, please unmute yourself. Okay, you can type if there is any issue. Okay, I'm not able to hear you. So anyway, this is the total area to be painted for 50 hollow cones. Now, cost of painting is given in the question. Cost of painting. So it is given rupees 12 per meter square. This is written. Understand? Rupees 12 per meter square is written. Now, what is the meaning of it? That means for 1 meter square, you have to pay rupees 12. Understand? So, cost of 1 meter square, your cost to paint 1 meter square area. So, this is equal to rupees 12, right? Now, cost to paint, yeah, of painting, you can write cost of painting 1 meter square area is rupees 1. Then cost of painting this much area which you got 32.028 meters square area will be, now you will multiply, right? So 12 into 38.028. Understand? Okay. Now for this multiplication, again, you can remove the decimal or directly also you can multiply. So 38.028. Now multiply by 12. So 2 into 8, 16, carry 1, 2 into 2, 4, and 1, 5, 2 into 0, 2 into 8, 16, carry 1, 3, and that becomes 7. 1 into 8, 8, 2, 0, 8, 3, right? Now, this is 6, 8 and 5, 13, carry 1, 3, 6, 16, 15, carry 1, 4, right? So if 1, 2, 3, I'm getting rupees 456. No, I think some mistake I have done in this multiplication. Oh, sorry, this is not 38. I have written wrong. This is 32.028. Isn't it, Jaslyn? Now let's do the multiplication again. Right? Okay, so 32.028 now multiplied by 12. 2 into 8, 16, carry 1, 2 into 2, 4, and 1, 5, 2 into 0, 0, 4, 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Now 1 into 8, 2, 0, 2, 3. So 6, 8 and 5, 13, carry 1, 3, 4, 8, 3. Now 1, 2, 3, right? So this becomes rupees 384.336. I think this is right, which you can approximate to 2 places of decimal if you wish. So this will become rupees 384.3. Now this will become 4, right? Approximately. I think round off, you remember when the next digit is either 5 or it is greater than 5. So the previous digit becomes greater than, I mean, it increases by 1. Any problem, Jaslyn? Okay, can you type so that I can know you are here? Okay, no problem. That's good. Okay, so let's move to the next exercise, number 13.4. Okay, so again, recap. So far we are interested in finding surface areas, right? So we have covered cube, then we have covered cuboid, then cylinder, and then we have seen just now cone, all C. Great. Now the next is we have to find the area of sphere. Area means surface area means curved surface area or total surface area. Sphere and also hemisphere. Hemisphere is just half of a sphere, so it's the same. Like in the same exercise, we are going to cover it. Understand? All right. So sphere, you know, it's like a ball. It's a three-dimensional, right? So it's a ball. Ball, you know, that is a sphere. This is a sphere. So it's totally curved. So there is only one area that is called the curved surface area or the total surface area. It's the same thing for the square. Understand? Okay, so total surface area is equal to 4 pi r square, or slash you can write curved. Both are the same thing for sphere. Curved also, total also, it's same for sphere, that is 4 pi r square. Understand, Jaslyn? Now, this is a sphere. And now what is a hemisphere? So if you cut the sphere into two, now this becomes a hemisphere, right? Okay. Now hemisphere is going to have two area. So this part is curved here, understand? And this part is flat. Getting it? So if we want to find only the curved surface area, that is CSA of hemisphere, so this is just half of the sphere, right? Because only the curved part we are looking at, not this inside, not this flat part, only the curved. So this is just half of the total surface area of the sphere. So this is 2 pi r square. All right. Now if we find total surface area of hemisphere or TSA, so total surface area means curved surface area and plus area of base, right? So TSA becomes curved surface area, which is 2 pi r square, and area of base. Now this base is a circle, so this area is pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that becomes 3 pi r square. Understand? So total surface area of the hemisphere is 3 pi r square. So in exam, in case you don't remember that it is 3 pi r square, so you can imagine that in your mind. How does it look like, right? So you can write yourself. So this is just curved surface area is just half of the sphere. So it becomes 2 pi r square and plus add this area. So plus pi r square. This way also you can write. Okay. Please note the formula. Now exercise 13.4, question number 1. So let's do one thing, Jaslyn. There is no point that I do all the calculation. Now you are going to solve it, okay? Now please solve first question, first part. So sphere, find the surface area of sphere. That means 4 pi r square. So you just have to put the value of r to solve it. So please do part number 1, 2, and 3. And let me know if you're not able to do, and tell me answers also. You can send me picture, okay? After completing part 1, send me a picture. And just ask me if you are not able to solve, then I'll solve it. Okay, you are getting 1386 centimeter square. Okay, that's right. But where is the picture, Jaslyn? Okay, now complete part second and part third also and tell me the answer. Okay, Jaslyn, now see here. First question you can complete in the homework, right? So this is your homework. Again, find the surface area of a sphere of diameter. So this time diameter is given. So first of all, you can find radius and then again you can find surface area. Second question also your homework, right? Okay, third, find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius this. So this also you can do. Total surface area, that means 3 pi r square you have to find. Pi you have to use 3.14. Okay. Yeah, Jaslyn, are you here? Okay. Now question number 4. The radius of a spherical balloon. Okay, this I will do. Fifth, a hemisphere ball made of brass has inner diameter. Okay, this I'll do. Find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is this. So I think sixth question also you can do. Surface area is given. That means 4 pi r square is already given. So from here you can find r, isn't it? Can you do this? Okay, good. Seventh, the diameter of the moon is approximately, okay, this I'll do. Hemispherical. Okay, this question sometimes come in competitive exam also, this type of question, right? Ratio of the surface area. In exam also it can come. Okay, the hemispherical ball is made up of, okay, this also I'll do. All right, at least 1, 2, 3, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 6 are your homework questions. So let us do question number 4 now. Okay, now see here, question number 4. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is pumped into it. So initially, there was some air in the balloon, so it was looking like this, and the radius was 7 centimeter. Then you have pumped in more air, and now the radius has become 14 centimeter. Find the ratio of surface area of balloon in the two cases. So first of all, you will find surface area in both cases, and then, or you can directly found the ratio. Just mention the formula that the surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, right? So this you can say like this, R1 is 7 centimeter and give it some other name, R2, which is 14 centimeter, or small r or capital R also you can. Okay, so ratio of surface area is equal to. So you write surface area of smaller balloon divided by, sorry, double O N, divided by surface area of larger balloon. Okay, so formula will remain same, 4 pi r1 whole square divided by 4 pi r2 whole square, right? So 4 pi will get cancelled out. It will be just r1 square divided by r2 square. So r1 was 7 centimeter whole square divided by 14 centimeter whole square, right? Okay, so uh, see, 14 is a multiple of 7, right? So instead of first multiplying 7 into 7, you can write it like this, 7 into 7 centimeter square divided by 14 into 14 centimeter square. So centimeter square and centimeter square will get cancelled. See, ratio is just numbers. There is no unit in ratio, okay? It's not a measurement, it's just a number. So 7 into 1 and 7 into 2. So you get 1 upon 2 and into 1 upon 2, right? So that gives you 1 upon 4. So the ratio is, so the ratio of surface area is equal to 1 is to 4. So the surface area has becomes 4 times. If you have increased the radius to 14, that means if you have doubled the radius, the surface area will become 4 times. Okay, next question number 5 now. A hemispherical ball made of brass has inner diameter. So you write down inner diameter is 10.5 centimeter. Okay. So that means inner radius it will be 10.5 divided by 2 centimeter. You can leave it like this or you can divide if you wish. So it will become 5 point, then 2 into 2 is 5, 5.25 centimeter. Okay. Okay, find the cost of tin plating it on the inside. So that, I mean, it's a hemispherical ball like this, right? So you have to paint from inside, you have to paint it. Understand? It's like the silver paint inside the brass ball. So that means you require the inner curved surface area, isn't it? Because ball is open at the top. Clear? So you have to find area to be painted, to be tin plated, sorry. It will be equal to inner curved surface area. Is that okay? Okay, so curved surface area is half of a sphere, that is 2 pi r square, right? So your inner diameter is this. So 2 into pi, which is 22 by 7 into radius, 5.25 centimeter whole square. Is that okay? Let's solve it. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 525 divided by 100 into 525 divided by 100 centimeter square. Okay, so is it divisible by 7? 7 into, yeah, 7 into 9. Yeah, so at least one time you can divide it. So 7 into 1. 7 into 7 is 49. Then you have 35. So 7 into 5 is 35, right? So now you have 44 into 75 into 525 divided by 100 into 100 centimeter square. So don't disturb the 100, right? Or if you want to disturb, you can, I think. Yes. So you can reduce it if you want a little bit here. Let's divide this by 2 first of all. So 2 into 22 and then this becomes 50, right? Now from 25 you can divide. So 25 into 2 and 25 into 3 is 75. Then again 2 into 1 and 2 into 11. You can't see my screen? Okay, let me share again. Oh, I have solved the whole question, Jaslyn. Now is it visible? Okay, now please see again. Question number 5 I was doing, right? So inner diameter was given. So this is your inner radius, which we have found. Now area to be tin plated is actually the inner curved surface area, right? 2 pi r square. So I have just put the values 2 into pi and r. So I am just simplifying it a little bit. As you can see. Okay, so 100 I'm not, okay, let's disturb it. I think it can become smaller. Okay, anyway, don't disturb it. So 11 into 3 is 33 into 525 and then keep it 100 centimeter square. Now you can multiply 525 into 33. So 525 into 33. 3 into 5, 15, carry 1. 3 into 2, 6 and 1, 7 and 15. Again, 5, 7, 5, 1. So 5, this is 12, carry 1, This becomes, okay, 7 and 5 is 12 and 13, carry 1, 7. Okay, so I'm getting 17325 divided by 100 centimeter square. This becomes 173.25 centimeter square. Okay. Okay, please write down up till here and tell me when you are done. Have you written, Jaslyn? Okay, done. Now the next part, cost. So some cost is also given in the question. So cost of tin plating, right? No, first of all, rate is given in the question. So rate of tin plating. Now it is given that it is rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square, right? So what is the meaning of this? The meaning is that for painting 100 centimeter square, you have to pay rupees 16. Okay. So that means cost of plating, not painting here, cost of plating 100 centimeter square is equal to rupees 16, right? Okay. So that means cost of plating 1 centimeter square, it will be rupees 16 divided by 100, isn't it? Unitary method I'm using. Okay. Now cost of plating. Now we have this much centimeter square. So cost of plating 173.25 centimeter square is, so this is the cost for one. Now you multiply this. So 16 by 100 is the cost of 1 centimeter square, and we have 173.25 as our total centimeter square, right? Centimeter square will now go because we want the answer in rupees. This is cost. Okay. Now this you can simplify. So again, you can remove the decimal first. So 173, and then you have 100 here, and then 100 will come here, right? Now you multiply this first of all. 173.25 multiplied by 16. 6 into 5, 30, carry 3. 6 into 2, 12. 13, 14, 15, carry 1. 6 into 3, 18 and 1, 19, carry 1. 6 into 7 is 42 and 1, 43, carry 4. 6 into 1, 6 and 4, 10. 1 into 5, 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 7, 1 into 1. 0, 5 and 5, 10, 0, sorry, 1, 10 into 12, carry 1, 6 and 1, 7, 7, 2, right? So I'm getting 277200 divided by 100 into 100, and this is in rupees. Okay. So 20 will cancel out. It will be rupees 2772 and divided by 100, right? So 100 will get cancelled. It will be rupees 27.72. This is the answer. See, I prefer multiplying, right? Instead of disturbing the hundreds of the denominator or the zeros of the denominator, it's always better to simply multiply. That is easier. Just don't think that these are such large numbers, but there are less chances if you do multiplication carefully and just put back decimals. So you might make mistakes when you are cutting the numbers, but here I think the chances are less. Okay, Jaslyn, then the rest of the questions, you will complete your homework and the remaining questions I'll take up in the next class. Okay. All right. Okay, bye. Now, if you have any upcoming exam, just send me a message and the date